Mother-daughter duo, Indie Organics, Apple, come you pronounce that for me? Yeah, that me that go say. Apothecary has a commitment to health and wellness through herbal medicine. Here to tell us about the benefits of herbal teas is Tashanya Traile. Welcome to Smile.
Thank you.
Good to have you. Or should I say welcome back to Smile?
Yes.
Okay. So you're a tea lady.
Absolutely. And we're the tea people.
Yeah, we're the tea people.
Yes, Indie
Spill
Organic.
the tea, girl. Spill the tea. Tell me all about the history.
All right.
Tell me how this started.
All right. So in 2015, I actually resigned my position as a director of operations for a company here in Jamaica.
Look at you.
And then my grandfather died during that year. And growing up, he would always make a lot of herbal formulations. You know, he was a herbalist in his own right. And so I was diagnosed with PCOS in 2015. And so I started, you know, becoming very curious about what I can do to help myself.
And then for the folks who don't know what we say PCOS, we say PCOS.
Right, it's polycystic ovarian syndrome, right? So started doing a lot of studying to find out what is the root cause of what was going on with me. And so I ended up doing a course in integrative medicine, University of Minnesota, and that's the study of botanical and pharmaceutical applications. And then I just got very curious and started studying Ayurveda, which is Indian medicine. Then I went on to do traditional Chinese medicine, and I've since spent like about 7 years now doing studies.
Fantastic. Research, all research.
Yes.
For this?
Yes. So last year, in the heights of the pandemic, coincidentally, after having, you know, tested several of my concoctions on family members and, you know, just taking my mother's health in charge also, we decided that we're going to launch Indie Organics.
Okay, so your mom, tell me what was happening with your mom.
So mom had trouble with her eyesight, she had respiratory troubles and so on. So we changed her diet. We started looking to our herbal allies. As I said, that comes from grandpa, so you know we want to honor that tradition. That is critically important and a key part of Indie. Yeah. So mom and I work closely together. She actually gets people like the elders in the community that I actually sit down and reason with. They have a wealth of knowledge about herbal medicine. So I spend a lot of time learning from them as well.
At their feet. And so you saw a difference in her condition?
Absolutely. Mom is over 60 and you wouldn't even know. She had more energy than me, to be honest. And, you know, we said, we got to share this. We have to share this with others.
So tell me, well, obviously not what the secret is, because you can't tell you the secret is, give away our formulation. But what is it in the tea that makes it do what it does? Okay, so there's several teas that we have, wellness blends, we call them. Ranges from if you want something for relaxation, which is our chillax tea. If you want something to help you to, you know, keep well and stay well, that's our Keep Well tea. We also have mullein leaf here, which is good for respiratory illnesses. We have our liver cleanse, and we also do wellness programs. And that is actually one of the cornerstone of the business as well. Because you have about 100 people now who can testify to the... Right. Well, almost 100. We're not at the 100 market, but we're looking forward to reaching that. But yes, we have helped a lot of persons, especially with our health and wellness programs. And we focus on not just with the herbal allies. We want to empower people to, you know, take charge of their health. For sure. So let's look at diet. Let's look at how your emotions are playing a role in your health. Because sometimes some of the things that make us sick is not even physical. Most times. Yes. Yes. So the link is inextricable. Strong. Yes. So on our wellness program, we tend to focus on that. And everything is based on science. So whilst we honor tradition, we also honor science as well. So we combine the two. So you launched in the height of the pandemic? Yes. Okay. So it's been 1 year now. How have things been going? Actually, I am really surprised at just the take-up.
people are coming from the east, west, the north, the south. Like, they're just so interested and they want to learn more. And we do a lot of teaching because, as I said, we really do believe in empowering people with their health.
And a lot of people now are taking charge of their health.
Yes.
Is the truth.
Yes.
There's a direction, a push. You launched at the right time.
Yes.
Because you've jumped in at a very critical point when people just want to feel better,
do
better,
That's
live better.
That's it.
You know, so kudos to you. This liver cleanse sounds like a serious business. Jodie, true? You've had it? Does chillax on? Does it chillax you? True?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. No. So how do you market now? You market in social, and where are your products available?
All right. So we're available on Instagram at Indie Organics, and that's where you basically contact us. We just won a grant from the Development Bank of Jamaica, so we're going to be working on our website, and that's going to be coming very soon. But we also ship internationally, so for persons who are abroad, you can still get products from us and join our wellness programs.
Okay, and these are formulated by you?
Yes, so we work on certain formulations, but also we source locally and internationally. Okay. Our products are certified organic. Quality is really important to us. So we know the story behind all of our products. We can tell you which farm our products came from. So the quality is absolutely phenomenal because we believe whatever it is that you're ingesting need to do your body good.
Of course.
You know, so yes.
Okay, so tell us where? Instagram is where we order?
Yes.
All right,
at
where?
Indie Organics.
At Indie Organics.
Yes.
Folks, if you want some tea to him, chillax you, cleanse you,
right,
make you just more healthy as we all try to navigate this new normal and keep our bodies good temples, then this is a good way to go. Thank you so much. Appreciate
You're
it.
most welcome.
Tashanya Traile, co-owner of Indie Organics. Guana? Apothecary.
Apothecary, yes.
That didn't mean to say. 3 times. All right. So while we take a cup of tea, tomorrow on Sumal, what's happening?
Visual artist Jeanette Alexander talks about taking fine art across the region, and we discuss the JTC bill, which is proposing fines of up to $500,000 for unlicensed teachers.
Listen to me. That's all interesting. All right. Thought for today. Children are the living messages we send to a time we will not see. John F. Kennedy is responsible for that one. We're out. Would you like a cup of tea?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you offering me this morning?
Liver cleanse.